How to change currency and Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the currency. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now here on the right top, you can see this flag icon. Tap on this flag icon. So this is the section where you can see currency. Simply tap on currency. So here you'll be able to find different currencies that are available. Now you can select it according to the region that you want to change into or the one that you want to change into. So here I'm tapping on one, and at last simply tap on done. It will take some time, and as you can see it is getting refreshed and everything has been restarted. So all the currencies has been changed. Now you can view it in the same one. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.